Hi. So who's ever had the brief from a client or a manager when they want to see multiple metrics, different chart types, and they want to drill down into different levels of detail, but they want it all in one space on one dashboard because they're too lazy to click around different places? Yeah? So I'm going to quickly show you some different ways you can do this, and then we're going to build up one of them through on here. Okay? So first of all, really easy way, you can have parameter controls where you can just quickly decide to select measures and select dimensions. So let's say I'm a regional manager, I'm only interested in my profit. I can filter this down nice and simply, and there you go. So one way that different managers who want different type of metrics can quickly find out what they want. Next up, and hopefully this map works. Yay. So maps are a great way to show geographical data, but they can be really difficult to find out the actual differences between these states. So look here, for example, we've got Virginia and North Carolina here. It's really hard to actually see which of those colors is lower, yeah? So what we can do, again, using a parameter, is just have a really easy, quick switch where we can just switch between a map and a bar chart. So I can really see now, oh, Virginia is actually quite a bit higher, whereas on the color you couldn't see that. So if someone wants to come in and look at that, they can just see it slightly differently. Let's take this exact same chart. And I was saying before about drill down capability. We don't want to clog up dashboard space. So we've got a nice, easy sales by state chart there. Everyone's seen this data before. Now, what if I'm North Carolina's manager and I want to see how we're doing by state, doing quite well, but what about within that state? If I come and click here, I can then come in now and look, a nice little pop out, dead easy to build, just using dashboard actions, where I can just click in and filter that to whatever level you want. And it's really quick and simple, and you can just come across and then click again and notice how things change again for each different state. Now, let's go back to our map. And then maps, again, are great for a quick snapshot in time. But if I want to see how Texas is doing over time, it's really difficult. I mean, someone's already shown Vision tooltips already. It's a really great feature. They can just come here and say, OK, we're doing great now, but how are we doing over time? How are different products within that category doing? Without having to click off somewhere else and find different dashboards, we can do it all there. Now, the final quick example I'm showing is a drill down tree map. I've got to give Emma White some credit for this in the Workout Wednesday, and I've rebuilt this off the back of all her funky calculations. So this is just showing stuff by state level, with color being color the profit and sales the size. But what about if I'm California's manager and I want to see what's going on by city? Click there, and we can see all the different cities within. And then if I want to click back again, I can click back, and it's a really nice, easy way to show different levels of data. So let's go through and see how I built this. So this is my parameter chart control. Unhide this sheet. So I've got here a bar chart and a map. I'm just going to drag these filters off and then rebuild them up for you. So you notice across here, I've built a parameter. It's just called map or bar. And all it is a string with two values. One says bar, the other says map. Dead simple. And what we're going to do is build up a calculated field. I'm just going to call it demo filter. And all we need to do here is grab the filter, this one here, okay, map or bar. And all I do is drag it into the field. That's it. Pretty okay. Now when we drag this demo filter to the filter, you'll notice all that's displayed is bar chart. That's because the parameter's already set to bar chart at the moment. So I'm just going to cancel this for now. I'm going to change the parameter across the bar chart. Drag that back in. Demo filter. Go to bar chart. Press OK. You notice, not bar chart, sorry, map, sorry. Put this on map. Select map, press OK. Now, when we change this filter to bar chart, it magically disappears. I'm going to go across to the bar chart now, drag on the same filter, nothing else, click on bar chart, hit OK. We've got a bar chart. That's the map, it disappears. Let's get a dashboard, open up a title. Now the only thing you need to do here is get one container, okay? Can be horizontal or vertical, doesn't matter. Vertical container on. The important thing is both of these charts sit within. So as you drag this on, make sure you get this little box to show it comes up in the container. I'm going to hide both of the titles so that they fit in nicely. And then on here, I just swap here, and you've got a really nice, easy swap. So that's one way. And if you want to see all of the other charts, these are all up on my Tableau public profile, so you can download them and see how I built all the others. Okay.